that little hole has this stuck in there, blocking and causing issues. These are all the grimes, and this should be cleaned regularly. This is unbelievable. I haven't cleaned it in a month, and this is what happens. I have no idea what that is, but it looks to have caused a lot of problems, causing the washing machine to come up with a SE sign. I don't know what the SE means, but now I think the washing machine should be working just perfectly. But I will be checking it from now on, and I will give it a wash. That is a Echo Drum Clean. Echo Drum Clean. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.